So this is our PS63. It comes from our new Prestige lineup, and this one is more focused towards the mainstream casual consumers and more of the content creators as well. 16 is the magic number for this one, so you're getting 16-hour battery life. It's 16 millimeters thick and 1.6 kilograms thin.
May I? Yeah, that is.
Please.
That is super light,
Yeah.
and I mean, just look how thin that is. That is not what you would expect from like a workstation class device.
For sure.
And this is intended to be designers, creatives,
Yes.
people that need a powerful device but don't want to lug something around that's going to give them back problems.
Precisely.
Great ports.
Yeah.
And the thing that's cool about this is that you're taking basically the same computing power that you've been using for gaming,
Right.
and applying it to something that you can put into a board.
For sure.
This is a great looking device.
Yeah. Blue trim all around, very unique.
Not going to look out of place anywhere. And I love that we're seeing Windows Hello integrated into the trackpad.
Of course.
This is a great balance of what MSI does well. That's power, but with some awesome design. Nice work.